Hi, thanks for registering for BoostFloral. Now that you have your account created, it's time to set things up. The progress meter at the top of your header can show you what are the tasks that are going to be needed to get started and get completely live with your website. Here, if you press the drop down, you can see there's tasks such as setting default delivery charges, your tax rates, uploading logos, configuring your products, a financial onboarding where you'll specify where you would like your payments to be sent to, and the website domain and hosting configuration. Along with that, you'll also have to choose a subscription for your hosting status. One of those will either be the essential or the premium, monthly or yearly hosting options. So let's look at some of these configuration activities that will need to be done. If we come here into the shop settings, within here we can see this is where we'll configure our tax rate, the delivery charges, zip code based or mileage based delivery charges, and other items. If we move to the financial section, this is where we will configure our business and our bank account, which is where the all transactions will be deposited. Down below, this is where we will add our products. We can view products from the default catalog, or you can upload, and most likely will upload, your own products here. We also have a section for add-ons where you'll configure your add-ons and the gallery of images that you would like to load to your site, or the site media, which is the stock image library that you can choose images from to use on your website. When you're ready to start configuring your website, you can come into the website editor by going into Edit Your Website and selecting the Edit Site button. When I do that, it opens the designer. Within this designer, this is where I can configure the site pages or the site settings. The settings is the layout to the website, the color palette, the typography, the different header options that you would like to choose, essentially the template, the framework of your website. And the site pages are the different sections, the different elements that are on your website pages. Within this drop-down, you can see the pages that are available. If I would like to add or remove some pages to my website, I would go into Site Settings to the Pages option to create new pages, or the navigation menu to change the navigation header, the order, or simply remove things from the website navigation. Lastly, you'll find that there's a help section available to you within the BoostFloral platform. Within here you can search by keyword for different things that you would like to know. If you are curious what the deactivate product button does or the meta description does, you can search, and we have explanations, or in a lot of cases helpful videos that explain what different features and functionalities are used for. Another thing that you can look for when seeing what help information is available is we've included this little help button alongside of areas that have help information available. If we come into products, we can see here in the Add Products section, we have quite a few of these different helpful videos that are available to explain how different features and functionalities of the platform work. Now that we've gone through this overview, you're ready to get started and work on your own. But if you do need help, feel free to contact us at support@boostfloral.com, where we're happy to help you as you get familiar with this platform and begin hosting your website. And thanks so much for joining BoostFloral.